My name is Bill. Since the 1970s, my life has been intertwined with the recovery of precious metals. The object of this video series is to pass along research data to those interested in the art of refining and recovery of precious metals. There is little data here that applies to basic refining associated with scrap or catalytic converters. Today's assay system was designed primarily for metallic gold and silver, or the fire assay. One can use chemical assays and find other metals. These are very limited. Often the most expensive equipment was designed around known recovery methods at the time. The tools you will need are persistence and observation. Secondary to this is being mechanically inclined, and a sense of humor helps. Some of you will find that one has to build or create different tools used for such a process. You will note that the comment section will have a small percentage of individuals who cannot observe for themselves, and their mission is to attack any and all of those who bring new observations to the table. Many of them were schooled in theory and have not tested these ideas in the practical world to any extent. If you want to communicate, the email address is shown on the screen. I'll put it in the notes. It's wbearnshaw, EARNSHAW @gmail.com. Much of this exploration began when a prototype was built somewhere in 1975, when a group was creating an electrical arc underwater and creating gold BBs from ground sawdust. This was the first of many clues that gold existed in other forms than what is currently known: metal, chlorides, bromides, etc. The total of this data observed led to a path of recovery which far exceeds which is known in the mining industry today. Those that found such a path were secretive. While much of the path will be revealed, different ores react differently with any given process. The body of this data is then dedicated to what I call micro mining. While there is a lot of data about many types of recovery, micro mining will be the future of mining. Why would one process tons of ore when one can get similar results from pounds of ore? This is not as simple as crushing and panning gold. It is the stabilization of elements which are not yet metallic. Nor is such a process cheap to accomplish. This is not for the get-rich-quick crowd, as any endeavor taken on solely for the purpose of money is doomed to fail in the long run. Let us get started. In order to follow a chronological path, each video is numbered. Each video will have a document or documents with a footprint as possible for those with slower connections. Might be a little crude, but should communicate to each of you. Thank you.